Good afternoon, Mayfield. It is Thursday, December 15th. We had our first 2-hour delay of the year because of weather, but it was just rain. So now we're all back together. And this is our homework for the week. It is our last homework of the year, 2022. And I want to remind you, pre-algebra students, that we will review for our quiz tomorrow, and our quiz will be Monday of next week. So homework is front and back, and I did mention it on Monday. It's okay if you forgot. For number 1, when it says which line represents the distance, which line are we talking about? So the graph is on the back, and I did write that on the side of the paper, but I just want to be sure that we're clear. The shoebox suggestion that was pulled today says Unit 2, question Lesson 11, numbers 1 and 2. So that's our first homework problem on the paper. Water runs from a hose into a bucket at a steady rate. The amount of water in the bucket for the time it's been filled is shown in this graph. The point 12,5 is on the graph. What do the coordinates tell you about the water in the bucket? So we're going to use our coordinates and our labels. So it means at 12 seconds, we have 5 gallons of water. How many gallons of water were in the bucket after 1 second? And label that point. So I might even label the point right away. There's my 1 second. Now, what is that point? Well, now, since it's proportional, I might want to go ahead and make a table to help figure that out. So we have time and gallons, and when we have 12 seconds, we have 5 gallons. And the big idea we've been talking about is if it's proportional, then we can look at our y divided by x in order to find that consistent rate or that constant of proportionality. So 5 divided by x is going to be right here. I could just write my division problem as a fraction. So this will be 1 second and then 5/12, which means at 1 second there's 5/12 of a gallon in the bucket. All right, which kind of makes sense. 5/12, a little bit less than 1/2. And this coordinate looks like it's a little bit less than halfway between 0 and 1 on the y-axis. All right, I hope that helps. Make sure you finish the homework, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.